Alright, good day and welcome to my channel once again. This is Tope and today I'm going to treat some question on addition and subtraction of Surds. Understand? But one thing you should know or you should note in solving Surds is that you need to know the basics of indices before you can solve Surds at all, because you are going to make use of it in Surds. So I have 3 questions which I'm going to solve here now as we solve this together. Alright, so number 1 says root of 32 plus 3 root 8. So therefore I'm going to look for 2 numbers which I'm going to multiply together that can give me this 32. And 2 numbers which I'm going to multiply together that will give me 8. So virtually the number that can go in this and go in this also is 2. Then you find another number that you can multiply with that 2 that will give you 32, and another number that you can multiply with that 2 that will give you what? 8. Do you understand? So I'm going to say into root, I think 16 multiplied by 2 will give me 32, plus 3 into root 4 times 2 also will give me 8. Alright? So therefore, there is a square root for 16 and there is a square root for 4. So I'm going to find the square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4. This 2 does not have a square root, which is I'm going to leave like this: 4 root 2 plus 3. 4 has a square root. So I'm going to say times the square root of 4 is 2. Alright? Root these 2 that remains. Okay? So my answer now is 4 root 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 root 2. Alright? When it is plus in between them, you can add it. And when it is minus, you can subtract. When it is plus, don't make the mistake of when multiplication is, times is in between them. When it is plus, then you can minus the outside numbers together, or plus. So I'm having 4 here and I'm having 6 here. Not the root now. I'm having 4 here and I'm having 6. And I'm having the same kind of root here. I'm having root 2 here, I'm having root 2 here. You pick one root out of it, then you sum this together. So I'm going to have 4 plus 6 is 10 root 2. You pick one root out of it. So in as much you're having root 2, root 2. If I'm having root 3 here too, I'll pick root 3. If I'm having root 4, I'll pick one root 4. So while I'm having root 2 and root 2 here, I'm going for root 2, and then I'll sum this together in 10. Alright? Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 says 7 into 3 minus 75. Alright? This does not have any root, so we say 7 root 3 minus. What are the 2 numbers? Later, what are the 2 numbers that will give me 75? The 2 numbers that will give me 75 should be 25 multiplied by 3. Yes, that's it. Then I will say 25 multiplied by 3. Alright. Now this has the square root, so I'm going to find the square root of this. So I'm going to say 7 root 3 minus square root of this is 5. This will not have the square root, so you put it inside. Alright. So I'm going to say, alright, let me start from there. Let me continue from there. So I'm going to say that 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Now I can minus the outside numbers. So I have a 7 here and I have a 5 here. So I can say 7 minus 5 will give me 2. And I'm having the same root. I'm having root 3 root 3, so I'm going to choose one there. Root 3. That's my final answer. And then for number 3 as well, I'm having 3 root 48 minus root 75 plus 2 root 12. Okay? Now I'm having subtraction and addition here. I'm having subtraction and addition here. So I'm going to look for 2 numbers that can multiply together that will give me this, and 2 numbers that can multiply together that will give me this, and 2 numbers that can multiply together that will give me this as well. Understand? So I'm going to have I'm going to find a number that can go in this 48 and also go in this 75 and also go in this 12. Then I will now find another number that I can multiply with that number that will give me this, that will give me this, and that will give me this. Alright? I think 3 goes here, 3 can go here, 3 also goes here, and then 3 can go also here. So I'll say 3 multiplied by a number that will give me this. 3 multiplied by another number that will give me this, and 3 multiplied by another number that will give me this. So I'm going to say 3 root 16 multiplied by 3 will give me this, minus root 25 multiplied by 3 will give me this, then plus 2 root 4 times 3 also will give me this. Alright? So therefore, there is a square root of this. These are the square root. This 2 has a root. Sorry, I'm saying square root. It has a root, that's a root, and that's a root. So I'm having 3. The square root of 16 is what? Is 4 now. So that's multiplied by 4. This is now the square root, so we have 3 minus square root of this is 5 root 3 plus I'm having 2. The square root of this is 2 also. Square root of 4 is 2. So root 3. So that I'm going to have 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4 root 3. Alright? So I'm going to suppose there is minus and there is plus, so I can minus now. So I'm having 12 minus 5 will give me what? 7. Right? There is 7 plus 4. So 7 plus 4 now will give me 11. So I'm having 11. So I'm having 3 here, with 3 here, with 3 here. So I'm going to have 1 root 3. It's just that I'm having minus 1 root 3 here and then plus 1 root 3 here. So this can cancel this. So I'm having 1 root 3. So I'm having a root 3. I hope you understand this. I'm having minus root 3 and plus root 3 here. If I take away this from this, I'll be having none. So I'll be left with root 3 here. So that's why I did 1 root 3. And this is how to solve addition and subtraction of surd. Next time, in my next video, I'm going to teach complex surd to this. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and share as well. Thank you.